how's that thing? Is that a newie?
Yeah.
It hasn't even waxed it yet.
Oh, baby monkey.
I fell asleep.
You fell asleep.
Well, sort of. I was thinking about stuff.
And then?
It was just nice to be in the breeze with the sun on my face. Thinking about it. Just nice.
Wow, the end of a first day of the year. We brought it in with a sunrise coffee. It was absolutely beautiful, wasn't it? We weren't the only ones there though. We thought it was going to be nice and peaceful and quiet, but there was heaps of people, which was okay. Everyone was there to have a good time and bring in the new year with a smile, and the weather was beautiful. Then we came down here and spent the day with family and friends. Surfing all day. It was so fun on the finless and on the longboard, and it was just such a magical day.
And now I'm sleepy.
Yeah.
So much surfing. Oh, and you took me out.
And we went out for breakfast.
My favorite.
But we definitely learned some things. Got to talk to the camera more and talk to you guys more. This is our first time trying to vlog every day again.
Say that again, that was so bad.
So today is day one of trying to do daily vlogs.
Let's see how we go.
It's tricky. If you have any tips and tricks, let us know. It's hard. So, buongiorno.